Alright, let me teach you how to remove auto factory reset, because sometimes your password, you may forget your password, and if you forgot your password, you try multiple times, your phone will be auto erased, like it will be auto factory reset. And what do you mean by factory auto reset? Factory auto reset means your phone will go back to factory setting. That is how the phone was before you purchase it, before you install your own personal data. And to stop your phone from auto reset, after several failed attempts to log into your devices, to stop this, go to your phone setting. Let me teach you very quickly. So once you come to your phone setting, you scroll up until you see lock screen and AOD. AOD means always on display. So once you click on it, you scroll up again until you see secure lock settings. Click on it. So once you click on it, they will give you an option for you to input your password so you can unlock it. So go ahead and unlock it, lock your phone. So once you unlock it, you come to this interface where we have about 4 options. The first one is lock instantly reset button, auto factory reset, lock network and security, show lockdown option. But why we are here is for the second option, auto factory reset. Let me read the statement for you. After 20 incorrect attempts to unlock your phone, it will be reset to factory default settings, and all data will be erased, including files and downloaded apps. That was what I was trying to explain. Meaning, if you attempt to unlock your phone with incorrect password for 20 times, your phone will be automatically erased. And sometimes maybe your children will be playing with your phone, or maybe trying to unlock your phone at your back. Once their attempt exceed 20 times, your phone will be automatically erased. And to stop this misfortune, what you need to do is turn off this setting. As you can see, I have turned this particular setting off now. It's good in some aspect, but it's also bad in another angle if you judge it from the case of your children. At times, your children, they will be trying to unlock your phone so they can have access to play games, and having input incorrect password for 20 times, your phone will be automatically erased to factory reset settings. Turn it off to protect your data. Thank you for being following. If you know you find this video helpful, share it for others so they can learn. We learn every day. That's why you have to follow for more videos. Thank you.